Hey, it's Perk, here to talk about Autoglass Professionals and the great work they do when it comes to windshield replacement. And they've been doing it for years, but let's not hear from me, let's hear from some of the customers and their reviews of this great place. We'll start with Heather, who says, "Fast service. Thank you for making it easy by helping me with my insurance claim and coming to my work to replace my windshield. You guys were great." And this one from Katie, who says, "Seth came to replace my windshield this morning at my home. He was efficient and helpful. He went the extra mile of changing my remote starter from my old windshield to my new one. The process of setting up an appointment was so smooth." Or how about this from Brandon? "As an insurance agent, I refer all my clients to these guys for windshield replacements and any other glass work. Not once have we had any issues, instead the opposite, which has been nothing but outstanding feedback." And while we're at it, hey, I highly recommend this place as well. I've used them more than once to fix my windshields, and every time I've been more than satisfied. As a matter of fact, one other thing, they also have killer snacks in their waiting room. One call does it all at Autoglass Professionals. Tell them Perk sent you.